Hey guys, so I'm coming at you with a really fun haul. I just went to Bath & Body Works for the first time in, I swear, 5 years. And I forgot how fun it is there because I've been working at home for obviously the past few months, and I've really been loving like room fragrance and having a diffuser going. And the ones that I have just weren't cutting it, and I totally ran through my first Nest reed diffuser. So I found all of my little wallflowers. I had some extra ones, and I had to go to the store to get more plugins. But first of all, I wanted to show you, since I'm in the car, I got these great little car fragrance like plugins, but they're just the ones that go through, you know, your vent with the air. So this one just pops right in. I'm gonna put Endless Weekend in because it seems like a good summery scent. The store was really good. They had like 14-person capacity, and I went to town. So I believe it goes like this. So you just pop it open and you just put this in. I am new to this, as mentioned. This seems, yeah, great. And you just, oops, put it in. Oh, that smells so lovely. Wow, it smells like perfume. Ooh, that smells very, very nice. I'm gonna put it in the one like beside me. That sounds great. Okay, I'm sure it'll be good actually in like the heat, but yeah, with the cold air, who knows how it's gonna perform. My car still has like a new car smell, and it's not new, but it just hasn't been used that much, so there we have it. Okay, I also got one of these bath poofs for my boyfriend. It has a nice thick hook right here, and it feels like the bath or the Body Shop ones, so he loves those ones. And this was a bit cheaper, I think. Those ones are like $5, and I think this one was $4. Then I got 10% off. I also had a coupon, or I got a coupon for $5 off or $10 off 40, so that's great. And then look at how pretty. I got my 2 plugins. So this one was on sale for $6 because it was half off, $13.50, and then this one was just like the regular like $6 ones, $7, and I'm excited to use those. They're a bit pricier than I thought, but it's all good. I got another one of the car diffuser things. I thought I could put this in my boyfriend's car, but this one hooks onto the little flip down thing, the visor, so it's really nice. I love how this one has no writing. The other one says scent portable on it, but this one's just very plain. Guys, how much fun is this? This is a gift bag, but I thought this would be so good as just a little storage bag. It's like that holographic kind of color, and it is yeah, just good for storage. And I believe this was like $3, so good 50% off item. And then I got a few more of the car scents, so I think it was 4 for $13.50. I got the Stress Relief, Eucalyptus Spearmint, Ocean, and Tiki Beach, so can't wait to use those. I did buy a candle because look at this container. This one I think was half off. It's Toasted Coconut S'mores, and I've been really loving those like warm scents. Look at the top. Is this not the most gorgeous jar just on its own? I can't wait to use this. They had like 3 like this, a blue and a green as well, but I just love this for a little storage jar like in a kitchen. This is going to be fantastic. So I was really happy to find that. The girl was great, and I noticed they had those little gift bags too, so I got a few of those along with, oh, I didn't even see that, the to and from, and then some ribbons, so that's exciting. Now, I also got a few more gift bags. Happy birthday to you. These are good because they're canvas bags, so they were $3.50 each, I think. And I just got 2 because they're not like huge, but these are super fun. Even for my nephews or something, you can just kind of like keep them going back and forth. But I love stuff like that. I hate buying gift wrap. That's, you know, like a throwaway kind of thing. And then I also got suckered in. I got 5 wallflowers. I mean, I was there, might as well. My total was about $90, and I went in there thinking I was going to spend like $12, but that's all good. I got Blue Ocean Waves. This one's nice and fresh. Fiji White Sands. This one is actually quite like masculine and warm. White Sand Beaches, again, kind of that like musky masculine scent. And Sun Drenched Linen. It smells like fresh Tide Pods, Tide Laundry. And then Mahogany Coconut. This was a nice like Swedish kind of summer scent, but not too too harsh. I think one of these, I believe it's this White Sand Beaches, smells like the Abercrombie store, and I love that kind of stuff. And then yeah, one of these, actually I think it was like Tiki Beach. No, this Ocean Scent smells exactly like this Sebastian Man body wash shower gel that I got for my boyfriend. It's actually like a 3-in-1 hair, beard, body wash, and he loves it. So I thought this would be fun even for his car or something. It honestly smells like his like signature scent. So that's everything. It was a great experience. I'm so happy to have gotten to the store and been able to smell all of the scents that I wanted, and I can't wait for a more fragrant office and stuff. So let me know if you love shopping at Bath & Body Works and what you pick up. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Subscribe for more, and I will see you again soon. Bye!